Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and today got another piece of maple. This came from Diamond Street Recycling up in Boise. Another yard tree as usual, because we don't grow a whole lot of trees here in the desert. But this one has some extreme curl. I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera.
Oh yeah.
It has a ton of curl in it. You can see it where, I don't know if any of the cracks on this side so much. Well, right here you can see where it just weaves back and forth. So hopefully we'll have some really good pattern in pieces on it. It's been down for a while. Got a little bit of rot in it in a spot there where there used to be a limb. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll have some really good color and some really good pattern in it. Now we'll see how the saw wants to start when it's cold.
And we're trying out a new saw blade, so we'll see how good that goes. Put some water on it. It's gonna be interesting. Just got bit or stung. That's going to be interesting to look at. Kind of sort of neat. We're hoping that it's not all like this, but it's going to be pretty inside. Hopefully we don't have one like we just got done doing. That last one. There goes the knot. yesterday we got some black walnut, and we cut black walnut up. If you guys can hear me, pretty wood, black walnut. Why didn't you pull back on the thing? Did you pull back on the handle?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you guys what this wood's going to look like, and then he'll continue cutting it. But we thought we'd show it to you before we do that. Well, before I go in for a little while. It's going to take a while for this to cut. So we wanted to show you what it's going to look like. And hopefully it doesn't have a bunch of termites continuing. Hopefully that stops.
Got a couple of spots that are soft, but most of it's pretty solid. Wait, see the curl up there in it though.
Oh. He brokered it.
Yeah. Well, that wasn't much of a piece anyway.
Oh. That's going to be pretty colors, too. Looks like.
Yeah. Look at the curl in it.
Oh, and look at all the spalting.
Yeah.
That's going to be pretty. Huh. Oh, this is going to be pretty. It's got the yellows and...
Yeah. Well, look at the curl showing up in it.
Yeah. It's going to be
very, going down through it.
Very pretty stuff. Like I said, hopefully that goes away, but hopefully.
Bark inclusion on this.
Even if it doesn't go away, it's not like completely ugly either. It looks like a tornado in the middle. At least they decorated it good this time. Yeah. It's just no rhyme for reason like that thing is. Ooh, I like all this spalting and stuff. And the yellows. See all the yellows? That's really pretty. That looks like a little tornado in the middle. Wow. That's going to be some pretty wood. I think that's really pretty stuff.
I think you spoke too soon about the hole in the middle.
Oh. Well, there's another. That's a different hole.
No.
Great.
Got a big hole in it.
Great. Now we got a big void. Oh, it is a big hole in it. Wow.
Whose bright idea was it to cut a couple of 3-inch thick slabs?
Too bad we couldn't find something cool like a time capsule and something like that. We did find a wrapper yesterday. Where did we find that at?
It was in that black walnut.
Oh, yeah, in that black walnut we found a wrapper. What was it, like the directions on how to grow it?
I don't know what it was. I think it was fertilizer. I'm not certain. Well, there's your worms.
Yeah. I was kind of afraid that that one little shoot was going to be a little holy. At least the base ain't bad.
Yeah.
Base ended up being pretty. All that spalting and stuff. Now we got some green. Oh, does that mean that there's going to be metal?
No.
Hopefully. It does not.
No.
It's pretty. Even up there, it's pretty. It gives it character.
Oh, yeah.
At least not ugly pretty.
Whoops.
Baby!
Your tree's not very solid.
Too bad we couldn't find a time capsule.
Surprised you couldn't find a squirrel in there. Look at the hole out. I can see your leg through.
I know. That's what I was saying. When I was looking at it, I was telling you there was a big hole.
Yeah, I didn't realize it went in that much though. But...
Still a pretty piece of wood. Do epoxy pour in this sucker and make a nice table. Even with the void.
Yeah, this one's half of it missing.
Yeah. The bark inclusion down the middle is kind of cool. And the main part down here is still intact real well.
Yeah, you got a little bit of funky wood there.
I like the spalting. The spalting not as cool, huh?
Yep.
Wow, that's really pretty. Pretty spalting. Yeah, this makes some nice furniture or something. Or even a table. Be a wild looking table. Holy smokes.
Got a pretty decent desk out of it.
Yeah, spalting's awesome. So you gotta continue to tear the void apart and cut?
Yeah.
You gonna flip it?
Nah. I can make like another 5 cuts before flipping it.
He's shoving it down the other hole.
We'll go out. And that doesn't want to quite go out. Just hoping no. Well, yeah, there was definitely squirrels living in here.
Oh, we got a bag?
Yeah, bag, wrapper.
Time capsule?
No.
Crap.
I'm hoping there ain't some kid's Hot Wheels or something in here. And more wrappers.
Looks like they like Reese's Pieces. Yeah, it was a take one Reese's Pieces Buttercup. Yeah, they like Reese's Pieces. Got a squirrel with good taste.
You're gonna have a pretty good void in a couple of them.
Yeah, but at least the main part over here is pretty solid.
Yeah, you got a little bit of... Got a couple of spots that are a little punky. Most of it's pretty solid. Yeah, I'll go ahead and make some more slices.
And then he'll let us know. And then we'll come back out and see what the rest of this looks like.
I should be able to take like 3 2.5-inch thick slabs off. And then I'll flip it and we'll hack up the rest of it.
Well, looks like the bottom piece is going to be in a lot better condition.
Yeah, yeah.
Than the top.
Once we get down. So I'll do these 2.5 thick, so we've got plenty of material to work with. Help make up for the hole.
And hopefully, guys.
Now, who picked this one?
I did. It's pretty. You see
with the big hole.
You see this bolting?
With the big hole.
Yeah, but it doesn't have all that. 90% of this is usable. 10% of that was usable. There's a difference. Okay, guys.
She doesn't like my wormy wood.
We did not like that nasty worm. I mean, this is wormy too, but not as bad as that other stuff was. That other stuff was just really bad. And he spent $400 on it. We got a whole truckload of this stuff. Yeah, that was pretty stuff. I showed that to him already.
Oh, did you wet it?
No. But I showed him. Really, the first real piece of black walnut we've got, really.
Yeah.
Any kind of size black walnut.
All the other stuff I've done has just been really small.
That's what I said.
But we do have a, what'd you say, at least 30-inch, maybe a little bit bigger round chunk laying. So.
Where? Oh, over there, yeah.
Yeah, one of these days that'll get on the saw. But we've got, what did we get, 7 or 8 pieces?
We got 8 or 9, maybe.
No, from Diamond Street.
Oh, yeah, probably about 8 pieces.
So,
this size or bigger.
So we got like 7 more. We got a catalpa and a sycamore, and I think all the rest of the chunks were maple from them. So we got those to cut through, and then we got the maple root ball, a couple other pieces of smaller diameter maple that we got from Ideal Demolition, and then that black walnut, and some hickory and some miscellaneous stuff.
And in between there sometime, we're going to start a little segment. It's going to say something like, will this saw cut this? But that's still coming. We haven't forgot about it yet.
Yeah, we're waiting on the blades.
Yeah.
For order.
We're waiting on the blades, and we just ordered this new blade. And how do you think this one's working, baby?
It cuts really smooth.
Are we going to get very many cuts out of this?
Well, we'll see.
So
it's to last about 10 times as long as the others.
So if it's...
We'll see where we're at.
But we have other ones ordered already?
Yeah, there's others still on order, if they'll ever show up.
When did you order those?
August.
August. When did you order this one?
Beginning of September.
Maybe August is before September.
Yes.
So why haven't you got the other ones yet?
They're rowing them over here from China.
Okay. Okay, we'll be back, guys. Okay, so my husband is back. He kind of broke one in half.
It rotted in half there.
And, ooh.
Yeah,
there's pink in that one now. Well, I do like this end. I bet you it'd make a really nice table.
Yeah.
With all the spalting and the pink. Wow. Spalting is really cool.
Yeah. Anyway, out of curiosity on how many people actually watch through these videos, if after this video you comment on it and you're subscribed, when we go to upload the next one, we'll draw a hat out of everybody who has left a comment, and we'll send them a hat. So leave a comment, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Yeah, they're pretty cool hats. So you guys subscribe to us, leave a comment, and you're going to be entered into a drawing for one of those cool hats.
You know, see how many people actually listen to what's going on in the video. A little rotted.
And you guys, we're still going to do that 1,000 subscribers. We're giving $500 gift card away to shirts, to hats, to stickers, and we're going to try and get some wood to you, but we had a young gentleman ask us if we could send a piece of wood to where?
Cambodia.
Oh, Cambodia, and
yeah, the
we
customs regulation.
Yeah, we would love to, but they require so much just to get any wood over to Cambodia that there's just no possible, because we get all of our wood through recycle places, tree services that's cutting these from out of their house. We don't cut, and we don't get permits and all this other stuff to cut this wood. And when you're sending it to somewhere like Cambodia, that's what they're requiring, is all your permits and all that. Well, we don't need them, but we are. So, yeah, there's just no way to send it somewhere like that. So, we're hoping that we can figure it out somehow, but there's just some places that we're just not going to be able to. So we'll, like I said, we'll make it good. We'll try to do something special for anybody that's over there, and anybody that's here. You might get a nice piece of really pretty wood. So that's 1,000 subscribers. But you have to be subscribed to us, and you have to at least leave one comment so that if you do win, we have a way of getting a hold of you. Because the last person that won still has not responded to us, so. And if you are one of our subscribers, please go back and look at that one that we drew the winner. It wasn't just a little segment. We didn't cut any wood, right?
No wood.
It was just a little segment. So if you are a subscriber, you're listening to this, please go back and listen to that.
It was Robot Louie.
Yep, Robot Louie. So,
I haven't heard from him.
Yep. If you're him, please get back with us, because you are our first winner. So,
Yep.
Oh,
it's a multi-piece with the bark inclusion.
that is really pretty. All this spalting in this one's really pretty. But you can really actually make something pretty out of this.
I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, the amount of curl in that. Really nice curly piece.
Ow! That's hard on the ears. So he's going to show you this last piece, and then he's going to flip it, and we're hoping, since we're through that big hole, we're hoping that the bottom piece is really pretty, so. But there is still a lot of usable wood here. It's very pretty, especially with all the spalting this one has. You just put your other piece up there. Bobby, you should put your other piece up there.
You know, the curly chunk?
Yeah.
You can see all the curl down the other side.
You know he's got issues.
The the things I find entertaining.
Yes.
Yeah, look at the curl in that.
That is pretty. That's definitely pretty. I can't believe how much this is more spalting than I've seen in a while. Oh, it's gonna get better.
Yeah, getting a little more solid. See, look at the curl. Look at that.
Gonna get a lot better, it looks like. Hopefully. After we finish getting through that little piece right there. Alright, well, he's going to flip this over and continue cutting, and I'm going to go and flip over my hamburger patties. Having hamburgers tonight for dinner.
Remember, leave a comment. We'll draw out everybody who's subscribed and left a comment.
And if you're not a subscriber, guys, subscribe and leave a comment.
Yeah, just subscribe, leave a comment.
And you will be added in.
Yeah. There you go. We could carve a nice salt and pepper shaker out of it.
Alright, guys, we'll be back. I guess my husband found a wasp nest.
But I shoved sawdust in it and squished them.
Oh, he squished them.
Still a few of them laying there.
Oh, that looks like it's going to be pretty. We got some pretty wood, guys.
Drop this on my toe.
He's going to drop it on his toe. This could be really pretty wood. You see all the color already? Wow, guys. I hope my camera picks how pretty this wood is up. See the difference between my wood and his wood? At least I got a few pieces out of it. Ooh, this is pretty. Holy smokes. This is really pretty.
Oh.
Huh.
There's a wasp still in there. That hole goes down in deep enough.
Oh, yeah. I wonder how, well, you just ran it over.
See if we knock a few more out of it.
Oh, this is really pretty wood. You know how heavy is it?
Yep. Stay up there. Got a little crotch feather in it.
Yeah, it does. I don't dare come up on you until you spray it.
And some fine quality wormholes.
Yeah. Back into that again?
Yeah. And some wasps here. Over there.
Wow, this
Those
is
ones
really...
are still crawling around.
This is really pretty, baby.
Wasps are now climbing out of your log.
You want to see a wasp? There you go. Oh, yeah, now he's turning in my direction. Now he's playing with the wasp. Oh, here they all come. Holy cow. How many's coming out of there?
One.
Ooh, babe. He's morbid sometimes. I'm not even going to show you guys because he's morbid sometimes.
Oh, 4 of them. Well, I don't want them here.
Oh, my goodness. He's morbid. We're not going to show you guys. him killing wasps. It's going through the bottom.
Yeah. Probably a bunch of them down on the ground now.
Yeah, this is my husband at work. The middle piece almost looks like a, the way it's sitting right there, it almost looks like a egg, a nodule. This is really pretty wood, though. I've been pretty happy with this wood, actually. We could have done with a few less wormholes, but these last few logs have been really quite pretty. Not too bad. Huh. I think it's really pretty, actually. You want to rinse that one down? Yeah, but look at all the color and the spalting. Actually, I think the spalting was more on the other side. I mean, there's still a little bit in here, but there was more spalting on the other side.
Yep.
But it's still pretty. Mine is kind of like that. But
got a lot of worms in it.
Majority of it's pretty. Unlike yours.
Hey, very nice chunk.
Worms crawling. Worms. There's what piece of that is usable?
A little bit of a boxy.
Was that the best piece you had?
No.
Out of that chunk?
No. It's the biggest.
Oh, and guys, so I brought my husband a hat out so that, you know, the sun didn't cook his head because he's got a bald head. And he thought that that was the hat that he was going to give away.
Yeah, I didn't. It's on my head. I can't see what it says on the front. These are the hats. So comment and subscribe, and you'll get in the drawing for a hat, for this type hat, not one like the other.
Then he tells me, he says, well, I didn't know why you brought me out a hat. And I'm like, to keep the sun off your head.
Don't worry about it.
Anyway.
Made it through another one. So, anyway, we got, I don't know, what, 6 more chunks of maple, catalpa, a sycamore over there, pretty good sized piece of black walnut. So we're going to try to get back in the routine of regular videos now that we got caught up on some other stuff. And got a saw blade.
Yep.
Hopefully it lasts for a while. Maybe someday the other ones we ordered will show up. I don't know. But anyway.
Did we say we bought them and paid for them, but they still haven't got here?
No, I just ordered them. Haven't even paid them yet.
Oh, through Fox.
They said we have to figure out what shipping is. I'm like, okay, when you find out what shipping is, I'll give you the credit card. Never heard from them again. So, I have no idea what they're doing.
Well, we'll get a hold of them. But anyways.
Yeah. So, if you're in southwest Idaho and got a big log, we can cut it up for you. A&B Wood Products, 208-447-9691.
And guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. If you are one of that 1,000 subscriber, we're going to put everybody's name that subscribed and put a comment in. We're going to put everybody's in a hat, and we're going to pick a person out. So your chances is really good. It's 1 out of 1,000 if you're going to win it. So, guys, please subscribe and comment and help us get there, because without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this. So, thanks.
Thank you.